Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Knowledge is Power. In today's video, we are going to see how to overhaul marine diesel engine RT-Flex and WXB type fuel pump. First, fix the fuel pump on the assembly device. Now, turn the fuel pump until the roller comes up. To remove the locating pin from bottom housing, compress the guide piston using the compression tool. After compressing the guide piston, remove the locating pin and unscrew two Allen screws to disconnect the bottom housing from the top housing. After disconnecting, lift it up along with bottom spring carrier and plunger. After removing the plunger from the bottom spring carrier, remove the circlip and bottom ring to detach the guide pin and bottom spring carrier. After that, clean and inspect the guide piston. Now, before taking out the rack from the regulating sleeve, take the measurement because there is no marking on the sleeve and rack to match. Then turn the fuel pump until the top cover comes up. After that, open all Allen screws and remove the top cover from the top housing. Now fix jacking tool and take out the non-return valve from top housing. After matching the guide pin and regulating sleeves big slot, gently tap the barrel with Teflon rod and take out the barrel. Now clean and inspect every parts of the fuel pump before assembling. Also change O-rings, fluted seal rings and bushings of the pump. Let's assemble the fuel pump in reverse order. Align barrel guide and fix the barrel to the top housing. After inspecting the non-return valve, fix the non-return valve on top of the housing and tighten the top cover to the required torque. After tightening the top cover, turn the fuel pump and fix the regulating sleeve with barrel. Now match the guide pin and fix the rack and confirm full movement of the rack. After confirming, attach the bottom housing to the top housing and tighten the two Allen screws to the required torque. Thanks for watching.